Hello everyone, I'm back with a new video. Today I'm going to show you some of the basic opening traps in which a beginners usually fall. So here we go. E4, E5, Knight F3, Knight C6, Bishop C4. So it's a kind of filler door defense. Now black plays Knight D4, giving up that pawn on E5, and white just takes that pawn on E5. White has just violated an opening principle. Never take a free material offered instantly. White should have thought why did black played such a move, giving up that pawn on e5. So after knight cross e5, black played queen g5, threatening this knight on e5 and this queen and this pawn on g2. Here white played knight cross f7, to which black played queen cross g2. If white would have played bishop cross f7, then king e7, and now white has to give up this knight or this bishop. But in the game, white played knight cross f7, black played queen cross g2, and after queen cross g2, white played rook f1. But if white would have played rook f1 and played knight cross h8, then queen cross h1 check, bishop f1, queen cross e4 check, bishop e2. This queen cannot come to e2 because of the knight on d4. So after bishop e2, knight cross c2 check. And now if white moves king f1, then queen h1 is the checkmate. So white has to give the queen on c2, queen cross c2, and then black plays queen cross c2, and now black is the queen up. So in the game, white played rook f1, to which black played queen cross e4 check, bishop e2, and now knight f3 checkmate. As we all know, it's called the smoother mate. So in this game, white just made an error by taking that pawn on e5 and lost the game. So we should try to avoid such traps. The next trap which I am going to show you is popularly known as the elephant's trap. It's a queen pawn opening trap in the queen's gambit decline variation. So the moves are d4, d5, c4, e6, knight c3, knight f6, bishop g5. So it's a kind of queen's gambit decline main line. Bishop g5, as we all know, is the main line. Now black played knight bd7. Black can play bishop e7 as well, but in the game black played knight bd7, to which white replied c cross d5. Black played e cross d5, and now knight cross d5. White just thought that this knight is pinned, so white can take this pawn on d5. After knight cross d5, black played knight cross d5, giving up that queen on d8. And after white played bishop cross d8, black played bishop b4 check. And now white has to give this queen because there's no space for king. So after queen d2, black played bishop cross d2, king cross d2, and now king d8, and black is a piece up. The same opening principle white has violated. White took that pawn on d5 and just lost the game. So we should try to avoid such traps. So the next trap I'm going to show you is popularly known as the Lasker's trap. It's a trap from the Albin counter gambit. The moves are d4, d5, c4, e5. And now white plays d cross e5. Black plays d4, trying to take control of this d4 square. White plays e3, trying to get rid of that d4 pawn. Now black plays bishop b4 check. After bishop b4, white plays bishop d2, guarding the check. And now black plays d cross e3. Here white should have replied f cross e3, but in the game white played bishop b4. And now black played e cross f2 check, to which white replied king e2, and now f cross g1 knight with the check. If black would have played f cross g1 queen, then queen cross d8, king cross d8, and rook g1, is an equal position, but in the game black played f cross g1 knight, and now white cannot take this knight on g1 because of the bishop g4 check, and white has to give up that queen. So here white played king e1, to which black played queen h4 check, and now white played king d2. If white would have played g3, then queen e4 check, and now this rook is hanging. So in the game white played king d2, black played knight c6, threatening this bishop on b4, and then white played bishop c3, protecting this bishop. Black played bishop g4, threatening to capture this queen. White played queen b3, and now 000. So now white is a piece down and its king is quite open. So this is a favorable position for black. Black is a piece up. So in the game, white just did a blunder by taking that bishop on b4. So we should try to avoid such traps in the opening. We'll find various opponents in our tournaments. If you have any suggestions, just comment it. I will be back with a new video again. Thanks for watching.